Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send money from Botim app to your bank account. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your Botim application and log in into your account. Now once this tap is done, you need to tap on the Me tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and over here on this page you will be able to see the wallet option. So you need to tap on the wallet option and you can proceed with the withdrawal process. Now before withdrawing, you need to make sure that you have enough funds in your wallet so that you can check your balance right on the screen. Now once you see your balance, you need to simply tap on that and select the option of withdraw. Then enter your bank account details including your IBAN number and double check everything and confirm your withdrawals. Here you need to remember that a transaction fee is 2 dirham is charged for the withdrawal, and it usually take up to 2 days, but it can be delayed during the public holidays, so you need to make sure that as well. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.